So we've arrived out to Ocean Beach on Labour weekend and it is an absolutely spectacular day. There's not a breath of wind where we are and it is a nice balmy 23 degrees and we've got our fishing rods, we've got a quad bike, we've got some yummy barbecue food. So we're going to have some fun?
Yeah.
We are going to have an absolute blast of an afternoon. So we are going to just start to relax. We're going to have some fun. And baby is having probably her second visit out here to Ocean Beach. So yeah, it's a little baby's day out at the beach. Here's our little Annalise. She's in a little outing frock. Well, not a frock, but a, what would you call it? It's just an outfit.
It's a big rock.
Hey, Annalise.
Yeah.
Hey, 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 hey.
Whoa.
Diddy. Cool. Okay, so we've gone and put our fishing rod out, our surf caster, we've got some bait on it, and we've put it on the rod holder, and we're going to drive and put our quad bike next to it and see if we can catch a fish. Hey, Sammy?
Yeah.
Sammy's going to drive us there.
Yeah.
Just keep it there. Ollie, stay back, please.
There's bite.
We just watch it. It's a lovely day in the Wairarapa. Just a few people on the beach fishing this afternoon. It's absolutely stunning.
Hi boys! Waving!
So we've been here for a couple of hours now and suddenly the southerly wind came in and it came in fearsome. As you can see if we look out to sea, probably a little bit hard to tell but it is southerly now, so we're collecting firewood and we're going to find a shelter place to cook up our sausages and steak and marshmallows, satay kebabs. So that's if it doesn't get too windy. Okay, so we've found somewhere sheltered in the dock car park, or a campsite, sorry, and we've loaded the quad bike up and we're going to have a fire, eh, Ollie? We're going to have a little fire there and we're going to cook our sausages, satay chicken kebabs and steaks. Yummy. And Sammy's getting all the wood out. Hi, Sammy.
Hi.
Sammy's responsible for getting all the wood out. We've got a whole lot of driftwood from the beach and it's nice and sheltered here, so there shouldn't be any wind to blow the embers around. And we've got plenty of water as well, we'll keep by the fire. So this is looking good. Sausages. What are those? What are those ones? Ollie, what are those ones? What are those?
You come through inside.
What's in those ones?
There you go, Daddy.
Sausages. Can you say sausages? Can you say sausages? Ollie, say sausages?
Ah, Chicky Boo. Ah, Chicky Boo.
Come help me over here.
She's watching her brothers.
Sammy, can you put
Hello.
Peekaboo.
This is my marshmallow stick. And
Cool.
my sausage stick.
Awesome.
sausage stick? You're going to cook your sausage with that one? The sausages are really quick to cook. It's really hot. So we can put our pan on. Hey. Sammy, you got some more sticks over there?
Hi. 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 Are you chatting? Hi. Hi.
Daddy, we're standing one out. Mommy, Daddy,
What?
open these.
What are they?
These sausage.
Sausage.
Yeah.
Do you like sausages? Oh, look at our fire.
Yummy sausages. Is that nice? How many is there? One, two, three,
4, 5.
5. Did it.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. That cool, Sally?
Yeah.
Nice one. Ellie, is that very yummy? Yeah? Yummy? What's that? Chicken kebab?
No,
What is that?
it's chicken.
Yeah, it's chicken kebab. Sam, you like your one?
Yeah.
So yummy. Does mummy like her one? Yummy, eh, mummy? Baby's first little outing, camping outing. She's looking out the window. It's my little tired Poppins. Hey? Little tired Poppins. Okay, so we have had our wonderful afternoon spent at Ocean Beach. We've just finished our dessert, and which was a Kinder Surprise and chippies and licorice, all sorts. And we are, it's about 7:15 in the evening. It's starting to get a little bit darkish, so we're on our way home, back home. Did you boys have a great time?
Yes.
Ollie, did you have a cool time? Yes, fantastic.
Yay.
So it's been really cool this afternoon, and we're going to come out and do it all again on another nice day. Catch you next time.